Hey, we're going to talk about how to update a standard essential grid installed by me with just a simple picture and simple link. So here at your dashboard, and you're just going to scroll down and come down to essential grid, and then you click essential grid, and then find the one that you're trying to edit. In this case, I'm going to edit the therapy closet, and I'm just going to open this in a new tab just so I can easily come back to this as needed. This is the name of it, and then this is the short code. That just means you can take that and you can put it anywhere you would like. I'll come back at the end and show you what I mean by that. So if you come down here, here are the ones that I've already imported. And if you want to edit them, then you can click here at the green button and click Edit Element. You can replace the image by clicking Choose Image, and you can replace the link by copying and pasting the new link here, and then you just click Save Changes, and then you just want to save the grid overall. And here, if you want to move it around, you can just literally drag and drop and it'll switch it around. Or you can use this one. You can move after number. I could just move that one over, whatever you want to do there. And then you just click Save Your Grid. Then just scroll down to the bottom and you'll see a little plus sign, and when you hover it, you can just click Image. And I'm just going to add a single image. I'm going to choose my image, and I'm going to delete this one, so I'm just going to add a fake one real quick. So you would find your image, and maybe that was it. And then you would link to, you would want to link directly to your download. I always recommend using Dropbox or Google Drive to download it, but wherever your PDF or whatever you're having them download, and just click Add Element. And if you scroll up, you'll see that it actually adds it to the top there, and then you can move it around as needed. So if you don't want that one, then you can just click Delete Element and it'll go away. If you wanted to change how it appeared, you can go over here to Grid Settings, and this is the biggest thing that I see clients adjusting. This is the number of items in the rows. So if right now I have it set to do 3 on desktop, and then on tablet 3, and when you get down to mobile 2, and maybe with mobile you want it, a lot of people just do 1 on mobile. If you wanted to have it 3 across, you can. I'm going to go ahead and set this to 1 on mobile. It tends to look better that way, but if you want it to be more, you can come in here and take care of that. So back here, I was going to show you real quick the short code. I'm going to copy this short code, and I'm going to come down here to my testing page. And I'm just going to add that short code right there and click Update. Now we'll view the page, and you'll see the essential grid has just popped in there. You can put this essential grid anywhere, and it just will automatically update. And then there's that other form that we were testing as well. And the same thing is going to apply to this free book recommendations. And again, if you're watching this and you are not Kim with Activity Tailor, this would apply to your particular essential grid as well. You just are going to open up settings. I open it up in the new tab just so I can get back and forth pretty easily. You have the short code for that one there. You come down here, and once again, you can just click Add an Image, Single, choose your image. Now I'm just choosing one at random. Whoops. And you'll see I added it and forgot to add the link. Super easy to go back. I'm just going to click Setting. I'm going to go to Link To, and we'll save changes. And then it's set. And if I want to delete that one, I can just hit Delete Element. And then at the end, just make sure you save your grid and you're all set. Let me know if you have any questions.